Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to become a seller or contributor in FREEPIK. FREEPIK is a stock market of vectors, photos and other stuff that graphic designers use for their projects. Let's start to sell our projects too. First of all, you need to create an account or log in with your email. Then you need to upload 20 files. For test, you have only 2 attempts. The file requirements are written on the right side of the platform. When you prepare your files correctly, upload them and then fill out the metadata, then press submit. You will get notification on your email that your files are under revision. It may take 20 or more days. My recommendation: upload only EPS files with this JPEG preview, because EPS files are often accepted rather than the PSD files. And second important advice: create projects due to the upcoming holidays or other events. For example, if it is a new year coming, create projects for New Year holidays, and so on. Choose the relevant themes. You may also search trends on the platform itself and take some ideas there. I hope it was helpful. Good luck, guys!